Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the plug and play 10-inch full package that we bring in for Hino truck, and this one can be used in many different Hino trucks from around 2006 to 2015. But please note that this setup is plug and play only for the Hino truck that doesn't have steering wheel controls on the steering. So it is designed to be 100% plug and play, and that is for the main wiring harness. You plug in it, power up and run our head units here, 10-inch system straight away. Then just follow instruction to fit the accessories, which including the microphone, the GPS sensor, and 2 USB port and microphone port and RCA plug into the head. And the wiring here is simply, one set here is plugged into your Hino truck's plug, and this end is plugged into the back of our head unit here, which is here like this, plugged in here, and some other accessories over there, over those parts. That's about it. So it's 100% plug and play for the main wiring harness. The only one wire that you will need to join into the truck to get the reverse power is this particular wire. It shouldn't have this plug. Only in this case we have this plug for this truck already, but in this case we leave the wiring open here and just join the reverse power 24 volt to the wiring we left for the reverse, and from there it certainly will be plug and play for everything else. The camera is easy to install, and we already provide dual protection wiring harness and wiring for the camera. In this case we are doing the job in the Hino truck 617, so we prepare this 10-meter wiring cable ready, and front end will plug into the back of the head unit here, and the rear end here, 2 of these plug into the camera and install the camera. And also inside the box we provide the full set of bracket and instructions, so it is plug and play. Especially if you don't need the reverse camera, then it is 100% plug and play. If you need reverse camera like this, remember we only need one little wire to be connected for 24 volt system from the reverse power into this line. That's about it, nothing else for the reverse. Only one positive line into this line, only one. Okay, yes, so the system is ready to go. Plug in and it works. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.